Okay, here's the other DR Horton, New Smyrna Beach, Florida, Venetian Bay. This is Sokovia. Nice formal entry. Much bigger home. This is about not quite 2,000 square feet. This is a great room. Come around to the kitchen with the bar. We have dining up front. Which is very nice for entertaining. Then look how big this great room is for entertaining. Very nice. Directly through that door will take you to the garage. And here's the master. We're doing a quick walkthrough just to show you the floor plan. This is for a client, kind of last minute. We want to get this together for them, so I'm clicking the lights on as I go. I apologize. Walk-in shower, double vanity, water closet with a little closet inside. They use every bit of space with DR Horton, which is nice. We have a walk-in closet there. Large entry right here, back to the back. And we have another bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom. And again, I apologize that we're running through it really quickly, but we're trying to get this video done and show clients properties at the same time. Laundry. Then we have main bathroom for guests and then also for these other bedrooms. Then we have another bedroom. Like I said, this is a 3-bedroom. Not quite 2,000 square feet, nice size home. There are many options with DR Horton. I can go over those at any time. And I'll show you the great room again real quick. The garage is on the back of the home in this subdivision in Venetian Bay. The only subdivision in Volusia County that actually has the garage in the back. And that's it. We end with the kitchen.